Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Escape Check transmission fluid message or warning and the likely reasons behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A check transmission fluid message or related alert in the Ford Escape is commonly associated with symptoms such as delayed shifting, hesitation during gear changes, unusual transmission behavior, or a warning appearing during normal driving. Verified technical service information and reviewed automotive data indicate that this message can apply to specific Ford Escape transmissions and model years, depending on transmission design and monitoring strategy. It does not affect all vehicles equally, and applicability varies by configuration. One verified cause involves transmission fluid level or condition. Low fluid level, degraded fluid, or fluid overheating can trigger monitoring thresholds that prompt a warning or message. Another confirmed cause relates to transmission temperature monitoring. Some Ford Escape models monitor transmission temperature electronically, and elevated temperatures during heavy load, stop-and-go driving, or extended operation can lead to alerts. Transmission control module monitoring behavior is also a documented factor. The control module continuously evaluates sensor data, and irregular readings related to pressure, temperature, or performance can result in a fluid-related message even if a mechanical fault is not immediately present. Fluid leaks are another verified consideration. Leaks from seals, lines, or transmission components can gradually reduce fluid level, eventually triggering a warning. Service history and maintenance intervals are an additional confirmed aspect. Extended intervals without fluid inspection or service can contribute to fluid breakdown and warning activation. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include recent transmission service, incorrect fluid type used during service, or sensor-related calibration behavior. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic procedures. Common solutions described in professional service guidance include verifying the correct fluid level using manufacturer-specified procedures, inspecting fluid condition, checking for leaks, scanning for transmission-related diagnostic codes, and addressing any overheating or sensor-related concerns. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and transmission-specific requirements. Reviewed diagnostic trends indicate that many Ford Escape Check transmission fluid warnings are resolved through fluid inspection, correction, or addressing overheating conditions rather than internal transmission repair. Outcomes vary by model year, transmission type, and driving conditions. In conclusion, Ford Escape Check transmission fluid alerts are typically linked to fluid level or condition, temperature monitoring behavior, control module evaluation, leaks, or maintenance-related factors. The exact cause and relevance depend on transmission design, model year, and operating conditions, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.